We are pleased to show you the 2019 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, 8 speakers, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, fog lights. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.